Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing a traditional South Indian recipe, Moru Kolumbu. The ingredients are listed on the screen along with visuals for your reference. This dish is commonly prepared in Tamil Nadu and Kerala as a substitute for dal, sambar or rasam etc. To start, dry roast the raw rice and some tur dal. I think in English tur dal is known as pigeon pea or something if I'm not wrong. Dry roast them and wash it thoroughly and then soak them into water for an hour. Some people skip the dry roasting step, but I prefer it to eliminate the raw smell because I don't like it. You can choose what works best for you according to your comfort, but soaking is essential. That is important, remember. For this recipe, I'm using lady finger, which I will shallow fry to remove excess starch. If you are using ash gourd, because with ash gourd also this recipe can be prepared. Please let me know in the comment section below if in case you want to know ash gourd version as well. I'll be more than happy to make a video and upload for your reference. Well, here I'm shallow frying all the lady finger cut into small pieces. Well guys, I'm surprised by the number of subscribers I have gained. I'm not sure how many of you actually watch my videos, but if you're a long time viewer, you might be wondering why I took a break from posting and suddenly started again. If you have questions, please comment below and I will do my best to answer them ASAP. Now let's get back to the recipe. For this recipe, I'll be preparing a paste. For that, I'm taking a couple of ingredients in a mixture jar. I'm adding soaked rice and dal, some peppercorns, and cumin seeds. Well, half of the cumin seeds I am saving for the tempering. Half of them I'm adding, and some shallots. Shallots are known as sambar onions in the south region of India, and some fresh coconut, a ginger piece cut into pieces, and some coriander leaves, and some green chilies, 3 to 4 green chilies according to your preference. I mean how much spicy you want it to be. Just break them into pieces and add it into the mixer jar and just grind it into a fine paste. Please remember, you have to make it a fine paste, not a rough texture. It won't work for this recipe. Well guys, kindly use only the shallot, the sambar onions, normal regular onions, the bigger size which we use for the other curries, that doesn't work, that doesn't give taste to the gravy. Well, the bhindi is being fried. Meanwhile, I'm just trying to demonstrate how to whisk curd to achieve a smooth texture. I know you all must be aware, but it's my responsibility to let you know all. Which I feel it's essential when using curd in recipes. Always whisk curd before adding it into the dish and let it come to a room temperature to avoid curdling. Don't just take it out from the fridge and add it into a boiling curry or something. So this will make the curd curdle. Well, I have taken out all the bhindi in and set it aside. And in the same pan, I am adding some oil for the tempering, followed by some mustard seeds and some asafoetida and cumin seeds. When they start spluttering, and then add some fresh curry leaves and then some dry red chilies. Here I am using the round dry red chilies. Those are mostly available in south side. I mean, it's available everywhere, but then mostly used in south part of India. This is just for the looks. Well, if you don't have that, you can add normal dry red chilies. Just break them into pieces and add them. These are known as gundu chilies. So if you prefer a spicier version, then you can add 3 to 4 slit green chilies during this tempering only. Once tempering is done, then add the paste that we prepared along with some turmeric powder and salt and mix it well. Keep mixing it on a low flame and uh, keep some hot water handy with you. Once the paste thickens, add that hot water to achieve a rasam like consistency. After like 7-10 minutes of cooking, the mixture will thicken due to the rice and dal paste that you will realize. You can even check it in the video where I'm showing. After adding some hot water and boiling it for like 5-10 minutes, how the gravy has become very thick. After 7 to 10 minutes, you can add the shallow fried bhindi and cook for another like 4-5 minutes, because bhindi is already cooked around 70%. So the balance 30% will be cooked in the gravy. Guys, trust me, this is a very comforting food. We Indians have an habit of eating rice on a regular basis with dal, sambar, etc. When you are bored of eating the same thing every day and you don't have enough time to prepare a lot of things like curries, etc., at that time, please try this once, on my word, and I'm sure you will love it and you will always remember me for this particular recipe. This is so yummy and very comforting, as I said, very comforting with rice. Well, after adding bhindi, as I said, just leave it for 3 to 4 minutes on a low flame. Let it cook. By watching the video, I think you must have realized that how thick it has become after boiling it for 7 to 10 minutes. So, if at all you want to adjust the consistency, you can add hot water at any time and boil it on a low gas only. At the end, just before putting the flame off, add the curd and leave it for a minute. That's it, and mix it well properly. I mean, the temperature has to be maintained, as I told you earlier in the video, otherwise the curd will curdle. So stir it well immediately. That's it, guys. Well, guys, use fresh curd only. Don't use stale or sour curd, can spoil the dish for sure. If you find my videos helpful, please subscribe and hit the bell icon for updates. Thanks for watching my video and I'll see you soon in my next video. Thank you, guys. Keep supporting me like this. That will encourage me to make more videos. Thank you so much.